My name is Asma Kausar, and I just completed my diploma in infrastructure analyst, and I have none of the experience in IT before, but as I joined the NetSoft, so I got a good job and my dream job, and I have explored my world. So far, I'm MBA in finance, but as been a part of NetSoft, so I got the MCSE, MCSA, MCP, VCP, VMware certifications. So right now, I can't say that I'm a Microsoft certified professional. By blessing of God, that one of my friend, he's my school friend, he referred me over here, and I'm always thankful to him. Right now, I have done my 11 trainings with the Active Directory and VMware and Citrix on hands, and lab experiences with this. So I have done Microsoft trainings a lot. The quality of a training at NetSoft was best, and I always referred all other people to come over here because it has a lot of experience, on-hand experience, projects, labs, and the motivational skills they enhance here. So I think this is the best quality-wise. I have no questions arises about it. I found NetSoft is quite different than other comprehensive journal institutes because it has more focused on hands-on trainings, projects oriented, and the IT professionals, trainers are available here. Those who are always focused on motivational skills and more enhanced on norms of the IT industry right now. So this is best place ever I found. At NetSoft, I found the trainers have a highly educated IT knowledge based, and they have the IT market on-hands training because they are always engaged in the IT and they are approachable easily to get the IT experience. So I found the NetSoft trainers are best as compared to other ones. At NetSoft, the training is very intensive. It's a time demanding projects involved, and it has more focused on oriented, and you have to be very determined on your assignments, especially on your projects. Those who are trainers be assigned. The trainers always push us to do more efforts towards on-hands training projects, and especially they motivate us all the time to go efficiently work in a positive manner. By signing off NetSoft, I found myself a more disciplined, organized, and well-mannered, and I have got the good experience in IT industry. And while the time management was tough for me because I have to manage many things with my certain job, my other, the chores, I have to manage a lot of working hours with this training. So that was the only, I feel that was the challenge for me. I have come across many people around me who has really got their dreaming job as being entered in the NetSoft. So I knew personally many of my colleagues, my friends in IT industry. Those are right now have a good place in the IT world. Honestly, at NetSoft, I spend more than 30 to 40 hours per week with my working hours. That was a challenge, but I enjoyed it to work in the IT industry. At NetSoft, we have one program they offered in the diploma that it's called the Hire Me. It has involved the resume preparation, how to prepare for yourself interview as an interviewee, interview preparation. They enhance your skills, the positivity involved in it, and I found it's very good. Mostly I'm proud of all the Microsoft trainings, VM trainings, Citrix trainings, on hands, my projects, labs experience. But one of my best program you can say is a SCCM, because right now at my job place, I focused over it and I'm working over there. I love the training of Hire Me because it has been prepared you for the interview, your resume. They focused on your personality, how to prepare for an interview, and I love it. I recommend NetSoft to all over you. Come over here because it is best. The trainers are more comprehensive, they are more trained, they have a solid IT background, and they motivate you. And I found myself more disciplined, organized here. So come and join us, and welcome to NetSoft. My message is this, that the success is always on the side of able navigators. So come and join us, and welcome to NetSoft.